Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Well, after trying out 3 self-serve car washes here in the East Mesa area, I finally found a good one. And I will put the name of this right here, right now. It was $2.50 for 4.5 minutes. The pressure was good. The soap was good. It's clean. I like it. It's on Gilbert Road. It did great. Whoa. That was weird. I wasn't expecting a big dip coming out. Oh, time for the sunglasses. But yeah, for a car wash, this did good. And they got drinks. Let me show you the sign here. That's the sign. And yes, I am picky when it comes to car washes. You would think that as picky as I am towards car washes, that I would have a spotless car all the time. Well, yeah, if it was my car, it would be spotless. But my wife is in this car 90% of the time, putting thousands of miles on it. So I don't have access to the car as if it was my car. But yeah, that was a great car wash. Oh, here we go with the sign. Because when we were living in Phoenix, we had the I think it was $20 a month you pay for the Quick Quack car wash. Yes, I know that name sounds crazy, but that's a great car wash. Quick Quack. You can go there many times as you want for like the $20 fee. So we went there, but they're all over Phoenix. This is East Mesa. And yeah, there isn't car washes everywhere. There seems to be a whole lot of these self-serve ones, but not the pull-through ones. Now I know a lot of people are anti-pull-through car wash. I'm not. Well, broken and scratches your car, and yeah, get over that shit. You bought your car or your truck to use. It's going to get scratched. It's going to get dented. If you live anywhere but Arizona, you're going to get rust on it. Period. I mean, I've seen people living back east, they still got a year to pay on their car, and it's already got rust on it. It's like, are you serious? But yeah, we would go there probably once a week. Run through the car wash, wipe it off. It worked great. I think my daughter does that. Because her Kia Sportage is always clean. Like, she is anal about keeping her Kia clean. Even in the back seat where my granddaughters go, it's clean. Oh yeah, biker, get right up on the ass of that Jeep. I swear. Now, this ain't nothing against bikers, but most of y'all ain't got two fucking brain cells. You ride like you're impervious to dying. No helmet on. Here in the Phoenix area, I've seen basketball shorts and flip-flops and no shirt on the freeway. Yeah. What would that guy on that bike have done if that Jeep or whatever it was stepped on the brakes? Being 10 feet off the back end of it, you would have ran right into the back of it and then been all mad and stuff that your precious little bike got wrecked. It's like, pay attention. And yes, I used to ride a motorcycle for years. But I wasn't an idiot when it came to riding a motorcycle. Because I knew that I had to ride for me and basically make sure that I wasn't doing anything stupid to where I would get in an accident. The only accident I had, I ended up in the hospital for 3 months because the car pulled out in front of me. Luckily, I had all my gear on. I hit the side of the car at 65 miles an hour. Broke a lot of bones in my body, but I'm still here because I had my gear on. Now, I know people that are like, you ain't cool if you're riding with gear on. Yeah. How cool is it when you end up in a freaking wheelchair because you wanted to be cool and not ride with gear on? Or these people that split lanes. Well, it's legal to do in my state. Yeah, I know. Did I ever do it? Shit, no. Because I knew for the simple fact, all it took was one driver to switch to the next lane right in front of you, and you're now you're the meat in the car sandwich. And I know somebody's going to say, they should have been paying attention. Yeah. We just had a wrong way driver here in Phoenix on I-17. Shut the whole freeway down for like 3 hours. She was 18 years old. Do you think she was paying attention? Yeah, I would say no. And, well, she doesn't have to pay attention anymore, if you get what I'm saying.